If you're an aspiring digital marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, and you want to use your knowledge to build assets around and turn that into an online business like books or courses, then the Biz From Scratch course is for you. I teach a 4-step framework that anyone can do in any niche. You can finish the course in about 2 weeks. And to help you reach your milestones, I will be your personal online business coach and accountability partner. We have tons of worksheets and downloadable resources that are yours to keep when you enroll in the Biz From Scratch course. If you want to learn more information and see what the curriculum is, what we teach inside the course, you just scroll down below. You'll see an overview of the courses, everything that you will learn, all the skills that you will gain as an entrepreneur. If you want to turn your knowledge into an online education business, whether you're a digital marketer or a beginning entrepreneur or a content creator, this course is going to take you from not knowing where to begin, not having a plan, to having a game plan, a guideline that you can implement in the next 30 days. Plus, you'll get access to a new book that I just released on Amazon called Online Profits Made Simple. That's a bonus I'm adding inside the course just for you. I can't wait to see what you're going to build, and I can't wait to see you inside the course.